Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can set up shortcuts on KDE Wayland so you can quickly switch between windows using shortcuts. So this is the feature I miss most when I switch from Windows to Linux. So I couldn't find a good tool to replace AutoHotkey on Windows. So on previous I know what it is, but on X11 it was quite easy to set up with window manager control. But as I switched to Wayland on KDE Plasma, then window manager control or wmctrl doesn't work anymore. So let me show you how it works. So for example, I have my Chrome here. So if I want to switch to Intellij, I simply click on Alt+J and I want to switch back to um, Chrome, then I just click on Alt+C. So this is highly customizable. You can set your own keys and it is quite easy to set up. So let me show you how you can do the same. So the first thing you need to do is to install kdotool. So yeah, I installed before. So kdotool like that, and it will ask you to use which repository. So I select one, and you can just yes and no. I don't want to see the diff, and then it will go ahead and ask for password sudo. So I just provide the password and yes, and it will go ahead and install kdotool. But since I already have installed that, then you see that the upgrade size is 0. So but just yes, so I have kdotool installed. So the next step is to find at least the running windows. So for example, I want to create a shortcut for activating um, Intellij or Kitty. Then I want to get the window class of Kitty. So one good way is to run this script. So don't worry about typing the script, as I will put the link to the tutorial with the script and all the commands in the description. But this is the command you need to do to type to get all the running windows. So these are the window ID. This you will use to like the trigger to activate or run the to activate the windows. And this is the class. So you really need this class for kdotool to activate or find the executable to run the program for you. So let's say I want to create a shortcut for activating Kitty. This is the terminal. So this is the class Kitty. I just note it here because it's short, so I can memorize that. And the next step is to find the executable of the program. So for example, I know that I can find Kitty by typing which Kitty, and I get the executable of Kitty. But for JetBrain, I'm not sure if you can do that, which and it's not found. So there's you need to find the executable of the program you want to run and the class name here. So for JetBrain idea, uh, I have it installed with JetBrain Toolbox. So I can just open JetBrains toolbox and find the executable here. So this is, I click on these three dots, I go to settings, and here is the place. It is install. So I can yeah, let me show you real path. Let's say Intellij bin idea. Yeah, idea.sh or idea. That is, oh, idea.sh. So this is on Linux. So this is the full path to the executable of Intellij. You need to copy this. Make sure you have the full path. So I'm talking about Kitty, right? So the full path to Kitty executable is this. So I have the class name is Kitty, and the executable is also is user being Kitty, and I have all the information I need to for the next step. So the next step is to create a script to activate or run the program if it is not already running. So I will provide you the script, but here is it is script and activate, and here the script is quite long, but the only thing you need to do is to this launch map. So this is a hash map, which the key is the class and the value is the full path to the executable. So as I mentioned, I want to create a shortcut for Kitty, so I need to put an entry to this map. So I copy the Firefox here, and Kitty, this is the class name, and this is the full path to Kitty, USR in Kitty. Yeah, that's it. And now I need to get the full path to this this script. So I use real path, activate, and I copy this. And the final step, make sure you make the script executable like that. If you don't do that, then the script is not executable and it will not work. So the next step is to create a shortcut to run this script. So I click on system settings here, search for shortcut here, and here you can see that I created a few options already, few shortcuts already. So let me delete this and click on add new command or script. So I just paste this. So this is the full path to the script, and the only parameter is Kitty, and the name is open Kitty, like that. And I click on add. And the final step is to assign a hotkey for this, a shortcut for this command. So I click on add here and type my preferred shortcut is Alt+T for terminal. So yeah, it was deleted, but it doesn't matter. So it is done, and click on apply. Now let's try. I will type Alt+T, and we can see that the Kitty terminal is activated. So now I can switch back and forth between Alt+J for Intellij, T for terminal. It's very quick, so it will take you some time, but when you get used to it, you can see that it is quite powerful. That you do not need to use your key, your mouse, or use Alt Tab to switch between windows. So hopefully that is helpful, and I see you in the next video.